one side we have the ladder. The ladder and some stuff to so this is okay. So first impression, the tent looks all amazing. It seems very simple to install. There's a track here which we need to fix onto the back of here, and then we put it onto the rack here. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's not very clear what is up, what is down. So this seems like to be the upper part. Most of the time there's like really no good installation information. It would be just really simple to put like here up and down, and how do we need to put the tracks, do we need to screw the tracks in. We don't have any information about that. The ladder is going to be fixed there, so this is the bottom, this is the top part with the okay. So now we need to just figure out how to attach the rails to here. I think we have to screw it in, but it's kind of like there's no information about it. We put the track. This is the track which we have here with the little nut, and there's like 6 pieces in the interior. We modified the back here a little bit, so we're gonna put the tent a little bit up front, so we can maybe put something here on the back. It's pretty easy to set up, but the rack, you definitely need somebody like Felix who's done that a lot, because you have to take the bumper off, and I wouldn't be able to do that myself. We got it up, and we lifted it up. So as you see, we put a little bit up front here, so we can still figure out something to add here in the back. Maybe we want to find something, so we can put something here, centering it. Okay, so now we are gonna take these brackets to put underneath here and to close it up. So next step, it's the ladder. We had some difficulty of pulling it up when the ladder is not installed. So we attached the strap in the back, and somebody from the other side pushed this up to get it over. The normal way to do it is to do it with the ladder. So we're figuring out now how to install the ladder, but with the ladder you're supposed to be able to use that as leverage and pull the tent points open. Here, so where the ladder is going to be installed, and it's going to be with these brackets, these brackets, and it's going to be, here's the ladder. We just need to know how to fix it. So good job, the tent seems good. We'll keep you posted how it's on the road. Okay, ciao.